So if it automatically adds 1 when the game's on, then should add 1 to d equals 2. These are repeat with redstone. This one's a repeat, always active. So we just do /test4 at p get score equals, then game equals 1. There, and then we're going to do a comparator. And this is going to run every 20 seconds. Yep. That's a whole second. Nope. How fast does a snake regularly move? Okay, let me just blind both these screens. I think OBS is blinded to that. Yes, OBS is blinded to that. There we go. Perfect. Then I can. Where is it? Let me turn on something I haven't turned on in a long time. Test 4, and then it's not usually this long. It's going to be 10 seconds, or 10 ticks. And it keeps putting it on that screen. Why? Why does it keep putting it on that screen? Oh, why? So it should be right here, and it shouldn't be automatically putting it on the wrong side. So test 4. Then we're going to do D2. This is going to be 0, 0, 0. And then, well, if this is D2, this has got to be D3. So D2 is D2 up or is D2 down? We'll go Y plus 1 X minus 1 remove okay, so that's all gotta be there, and then this is going to be a chain, and this one's going to set game to 1. Oh, false. Slash up. Oh man, output false. This is how you don't get spammed, is you type in that. Oh hey Nugget. So then that's 3. Oh, this can be any amount of ticks. This just needs to be delayed. 10. 10. And 10. There. Now, this is going to be D4. Y minus 1. So it's remove. X of 6 and a Y of 6. Perfect. Then we're going to set I see. A game in copy paste save. There we go. Oh. Okay. There we go. Got it all set up. D. Now, if those are correct, players test at P X equals X. Oh shoot. Why don't I just do execute test 4 at P I'm building a working version of a Snake, if you've ever played Snake. So test 4 at P, and then get scores equals game equals 1, comma, then what is the player thing? Hello. Then oof, can't think of the thing. Yeah. game equals that. Score. That's x. X equals 14 dot dot. Same with y equals 14 dot dot. Then we're going to power the same thing. The game is going to be considered over, so game is set to 0. 10. Oh. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Game is set to game off. We're not doing the game, so then we're going to set D to 0. We're going to set X to 0. Chain. These are all conditional. Actually, they're always active though. And then set Y to 0. I don't really need them all to activate. There you go. So if that's all correct, this should help it so it doesn't, if it goes off the edge of the board. So if it was to go this way, and it was to fly off the edge of the board, it won't work for the other side yet. Not yet. Okay. Now we're gonna have to build. We're just gonna extend it this way. Every half side, it does. How does the snake move in real time? How would the snake move? Dot dot 0. I think that's how you write that. For anything lower than slash scoreboard. Oh, game doesn't equal 1. Ah, that would explain why. That would absolutely explain why it wasn't working. Slash scoreboard players list. And then we're going to list myself. Ah. If there's a game equals 1. So game's not equal to 1. Great. Okay. I just need to figure out what I'm actually reaching. So I'm going to have to make an entire wall. of commands with this. So x equals 1. Then, no, this is going to be x. So if this left side's x equals 1, so this is x equals 1, comma, y equals 1. Gonna have to make sure we copy that one. Perfect. Let's just cancel whatever that was. Then chain conditional always active. Set block lime, or set block tilde, and then I don't know the coordinates, so I'm gonna have to add coordinates real quick. There we go. 1, 2, 3, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Okay, good. Tilde, tilde, minus 3. Lime. Then I'm just gonna have to figure out where the second or the rest of them will be. Underscore concrete. That's 2x 3 4 5 6. Is there an easier way to do this? Then we do 7. That is not a 7. That would absolutely never be a 7. There's 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, so on and so forth. 12, 13. Perfect. Then we're just going to y equals 2. Y equals 3. 4. 5. Yeah, this is going to be a long process. This spot right here. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Not 134. That's a huge number, comparably. And then now, just going to 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just repetitive. This part's like the most repetitive part of this whole thing. It's kind of this is 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's 7. This one's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12. So we're going to start here. It's going to be 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then now we're just going to repeat this guy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh yeah, I'm just building Snake. And I'm doing the most boring part, of course. Because, of course, I'm going to need a lot of command blocks to do this. And, of course, it's going to take that long. I wish there was a faster way to do this. There probably is, but I don't have a way right now, so do it this way. 6. We don't have like 4 loops where we can change the thing and all that. And that's what I need, is a 4 loop. Like, if I could make 4 loops in Minecraft. Which is something cool that you can use in like Java, and when you're coding it, you can use 4 loops and it works a lot better. But for some reason they don't have that in Bedrock Edition. Alright, well, they don't have that in Minecraft. What was this guy? 7, 8, 9. They kind of do, but they don't have it the way most languages. Oh, yeah, it's... I wish I could simplify this a lot faster. But this is what I have to do for this display. And... like, the display is the hardest part, or the longest part at least. It's not hard, just harder. Wait, is this supposed to be 5 or 6? Oh, thank goodness. This should be 2, 3. We're about halfway through. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. Like, I mean, like, the coding language Java is so much easier, but, like, they don't have the command like that in Java either. It's just kind of sad that there's not something there. I know it might be hard to code on their end, but I just wish there was, like a for loop command. Thank you. That's 4, not a 3. Woo. Once I get all this in... Did I just type in a 4? Oh, Okay, well, that's my luck. This is 5. This is 4. Good. No, this is 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. And then 13. There we go. Now we're halfway through. Well, yeah, actually, now we're further than halfway through. It's 1. This is actually meant to be 2. It's going to be 4. 3. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. This is going to be 9 and 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. Perfect. Then it's 2 again. 3 again. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12, 13. Yeah. And then we're gonna go back up. We only got 2 more rows to go after this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Let me just check over here. Perfect. Yay. 12. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just building a snake from, well, it's probably a game you've seen. If it's not, I can explain it to you. This one's 11, actually. Nope, we're not dropping that. I do not want to redo this all. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost there. 9. I probably started this like 5 minutes ago. 10, 11, 12, 13. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, this is so much easier because it's just the same idea. There. I can just do it this way. Oh, I should have been doing it this way. This is so much easier. It's just, it's literally just, it's the game called Snake. If you've ever played that online game. You can usually play it on your browser or something, like Google or that, and it's a pretty simple game. Usually. Now what I'm going to have to do is set a set block here. -5, 57, 38. This is just a temporary wall. Hello. Okay, /set block -5. We'll see if this works. Thank you. We'll see if this works. I'm going to be really happy if it does. -5. Okay. -5, 57, 38. 57, 38. -57. Okay, that makes more sense. Now, we're going to make sure that's a redstone underscore block. Then copy this over, chain, conditional, always active. Make sure this is a 10 tick delay. This is a temporary start button. We're gonna... Oh! Okay! Okay! It works. It works. Okay. Now what I have to do is I'm going to have to set up a direction. So we have to set up a direction thing. Plus I have to set up a way to remove these blocks. That's going to be the hard part, is removing these blocks. But this is a good sign. If I wanted to start them further over, that it would work too. Oh. Air. No kidding. Try it again. /fill. Should I? What do you think? I want to get your opinion on this. Do you think I should have a flat wall with the snake? So the snake is flat with the wall like this. Here. I don't want to break through the wall just in case. But like the wall is flat with the snake? Or should I have the snake pop out a little? Like this instead. What do you prefer? Because I can have it pop out like this. That's not hard, and I can have it replaced. But it's kind of based on what you want, because I don't know what looks better. Let me back up a little, because this is probably closer to where you'd be standing. Covering up the sides. Besides that, I think I'll go 3D for now, and if people don't like it, they'll message me down below. So, we're just going to go 3D for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to fill this to this point with air. So if it's 2, negative 41, 26. 2, negative 41. Fill 2, negative 41, 26. Yep, okay. Perfect. Then we're going to go to, oh, yeah. So negative 10, 53. Negative 10, 53. So negative 10, 53, 26 again. And we're going to fill that with air. Then, actually I could probably flatten this out if we need to. Then we expand this a little. This should, once it reaches the end, is it always active? But that's not, okay. Well, this is going to be interesting. Negative 53, not 53. Yeah, that solves a few problems. We'll give it some time. There we go. Okay, so now it clears itself. Then what we're going to have to do is add a way to move it, which should be pretty easy. We'll see where we're going to build. This is going to be pretty far. About here, maybe? Yeah. Build up, and then back. Do you think it should be pressure plates, or do you think it should be something else? Like for this, do you think it should be pressure plates, or do you think it should be so like when I change it, I'm probably gonna actually move this up a little. As I said before, this is temporary. It probably will be replaced. My goodness, why is that so hard for me to say? Ugh. gonna delete all this. Then I'm gonna set a temporary wall too. Clear. There we go. Sorry about that. I didn't realize it was rubbing against me. The mic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these as buttons for now. They're going to be impulse, unconditional, always active. Set D2. So left should be D. No, it's right's D1. And this one will be D2. This one is D3. And this one is D4. This is basically going to be drawing right now. So this is for you artists over there. Huh? Oh. That's not the problem. 10. Copy this somewhere in here. That's 9. Found it. I didn't change 9. This part's easy. Let's try that. Perfect. 10. 10. Then 10. Oh, this is all 9? Why? 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's a good thing I checked that. What are these numbers? I see, so it just doesn't reach. Okay. Now this side has to do the same. Doesn't really matter which way it points, it's just pointing. Okay, start game, and if I go left, obviously it's going to go left. Up. How much delay does each have? 10, 10, 10, and 10. Nope, that's 20. 10. That would be ridiculous. Yep. Up, down. Down works. Yep, you lost. I don't know how to write that. I should make a list of directions you went. I don't think I'm gonna need all those armor stands. That was the way to do it. Oh, I'm so stupid. I mean, it works, but that's kind of stupid of me. Ugh. Nah, because if I hit it automatically. So we know how to get that. Now we can make a circle. Draw up. Gives it a second. There, and then we can paint this in. Yep. Perfect. I didn't hit it fast enough, I'm assuming. How do I check if there's an element? Oh, I set the pellet. Dang. Ooh, I could. It just is. It is. Jump in is. Hey, is.
Hello?
Hey. Oh, here. You wanna help me make snake? Yes? It goes silent immediately. Oh. To be fair, I just jumped into him. See? That's what I was working on. I was trying to figure out how to do that. I know how to generate the apples. The apples are the easy part. Spawning them. I'm gonna tag this guy called apples / tag at n type equals armor stand. Add apple. Wow. And what's going to happen is he's going to be randomized. Why is it so hard to copy these guys? Okay. Okay. How do I move him? Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna have to. I swear. Why can you not pick block armor stands? That always messes with me. Why can you not pick block them? And like you can, but you can't. It takes so much more to pick block them. Then up. Yeah. You are the nearest one. You are considered apple. Yes, yes it is. It's a newer one. At N is nearest entity. They had it in Java for a while, but it is nearest entity in Bedrock edition too now. /random. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through this part. This part's gonna take so long. 1 through 13. Do the same with this one. At N tag equals apple. And that's X. So then, well, I'm going to test that later. Because what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to throw the same thing. Basically the same thing. It's kind of dumb. So I'm not going to sit through that again. No. Wonder if there's an actual way to do it faster. There is a way I could have done this matched with this plus the apple thing, but then I kind of skipped over that, so now I'm not redoing that onto that. That makes it so much harder, and I'm not gonna do that. So, what was I going to do with this? Right there? It's right there. And if you want to see it in chat, they just added it. Test for at N. Oh, here I can't see that, so we'll see how this goes. Twitch. There we are. Thank you. It's right there. That is the first one. Oh. You just type in /give, add S, not XE, but add S, then command, if I can type, block. Like that. It's going to be a second before you actually see what I'm saying, so. I'm seeing, just as a thing, I'm seeing you in Twitch. Just not every second. I don't respond to everything immediately. So I'm going to have to make a display for that later. Oh, thank you. I'm building Snake, and I need to figure out how to do the apples. Yeah, the game called Snake. If direction... at E works, but it tests for too many entities. So at N makes it simple. I don't have to type in at E radius and then all that. I just have to type in at N. Less things. Have you never seen Snake? What do I do with the apple? So if you generate an apple, how do I generate it on the wall? The apple's generated. That's already done. So the apple is generated. It has to be. It's going to be in this. We're going to test where it is. We're going to go here, down, left. I just don't have a way to cut the back off like I would usually. So this tail is supposed to follow with it. And if you hit the wall, you lose. If you get an apple, you gain length. But I'm going to have to make an entire segment for that. I don't know if I want to redo everything. So, I might just end the game in a minute because I don't want to make you guys sit through another one of me building another wall. So, and I have other stuff to do today. I know it's not an amazingly long stream. Usually I do longer, but this game's probably gonna have some get finished. Maybe not tomorrow, but in a couple of days, maybe this week. We'll see where I am. And I'll have a working demo for you guys then. I have a couple working demos out right now. But this one should be done soon. So, it can be. If you want me to. I can always make these long form videos. You retracted the... Oh, it doesn't retract it in Streamlabs. Okay, I didn't realize you retracted that. Yeah, so I'm probably going to end stream today for now. Well, at least for now, for this channel. I might go on stream for a different channel later. But probably tomorrow I should be back on. And we'll see when we finish it. But I have a lot of demos out. I will link to a demo when this one is ready. But with that, thank you guys for watching. I do thank you. If you guys enjoyed, obviously... If you can, hit the like button so it shares these off. It helps me know that you guys... What? This is a stream. It's just... I can make it a long form video. They work. As short, they can be trimmed down to a VOD. I have like a full-on one out already. So I'm gonna have to go. I do thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys probably tomorrow if you are on tomorrow. But with that, I think, yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys.